How to close my Snapchat account permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to close my Snapchat account permanently. First, open the Snapchat application on your phone. Then, go to the chat section. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Look for the settings icon, usually a gear or cog, and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the delete account option and tap on it. You will need to enter your username and password for verification. Finally, tap on the continue button to confirm the permanent deactivation of your account. That's it. Your Snapchat account will be permanently deactivated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.